They said a 65 RFE transmission wouldn't hold power. You know what I said?
I'm your huckleberry.
Not me, not today. Holy crap. That's it for me, going home. Pooped my pants again, that's great. Oh, Billy.
My dude built a 2015 lifted Ram truck making 922 wheel horsepower and 848 foot-pounds of torque through an RFE transmission. That is redonkulous. And he did it with stock displacement. Yes, this is still a 5.7 345 with all the good stuff stuffed inside that motor. We got forged internals and an FRP Flying Ryan Tomahawk camshaft, and we all know that dude works, along with that nasty looking highly high ram. This motor looks sweet. And let's not forget about the fuel system. This thing's running on that good old pimp juice E85. Oh yeah, we got the pimp juice in this truck. And all this masculine power's going through a built 65 RFE with the good help of Burn Auto and Performance out of Las Vegas. Help Joey put this truck together and make 922 wheel horsepower. Get some. On top of all this cool stuff, Joey himself built the remote mount turbo setup that is on this truck. He put it together. He made it work. And boy, let me tell you right now, it makes all the good sounds that your first girlfriend made. You know what I mean, fellas? Dude, this truck is stupid fast. And it is the true definition of built, not bought. And I'm going to go ahead and say it. This truck would smoke a TRX and turn it into Littlefoot. What more can you ask for? You got a lifted truck that goes fast. It makes all the cool sounds, and it was built. So go check out my dude. His link to his channels and all of his stuff is in the video description below. Go give him a follow. He's a straight up dude, and he's funny as hell. Until next time, check out the footage.
Wow. Gosh, dude. It blows my gourd every time I drive it. Watch, watch. I don't even downshift like other 6-speed dudes.
Johnny Ringo. You look like somebody just walked over your grave.